Good morning, guys. Welcome to our daily outlook. This is the second daily outlook for the week. Now, yesterday we talked about few pairs: gold, AUDUSD, NZDUSD, US oil, USD JPY, and the rest. Okay. Now, the reason why we normally do have this daily outlook every single morning is to direct every single listener or my Telegram channel members to the right path. Okay, most of you just wake up in the morning and you don't have some pairs in your watch list, you don't know what you want to trade, you just start checking different pairs looking for entry. Now this daily outlook will help you stay fixated on a certain pair or know what you want to trade and why you want to trade it. Okay, I always try my best on daily outlook to give you guys reason why we are buying or selling, give you guys fundamental reasons that would also affect our buyers. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me dive into the market ASAP. Now let's head to gold. Now we were expecting gold yesterday to dump to our entry level, and up to now gold has not dumped to that level. What does that mean? That clearly means we still have a long way to go. Okay, gold might still dump, not might still, gold will still dump. Maybe we'll see something like this. Maybe we'll see something like this, then gold will dump to our entry before continue pushing to the upside. Okay, so don't waste time, don't be in a rush to take that trade, just be calm. Okay, just be calm. Gold will come to us. When it comes to us, then we buy that market. Okay, now without wasting much time, moving to AUDUSD. Remember where I told you guys we're going to sell AUDUSD. AUDUSD have not approached that level yet, and I wouldn't be taking any sell here. I want the market to come here, still shoot back up to this our entry level. This is where I want to sell the market, because if the market gets to this position, I'll open at least 5, 6, or 10 lots, because this is a very valid zone to sell that market. But if the market does not get to this level yet, I will stay patient. If there's one thing I've learned over the years is that those traders who are patient, that always wait for the market to come to them, always end up being profitable than traders that are always chasing every single move. Remember, the only reason why you started trading Forex is to have a financial freedom, not to be a slave to the market. Okay, now same thing for NZDUSD. I gave you guys the analysis for this also. We won't be selling this pair until AUDUSD gets to this point, then we sell them together, right? Meaning there are chances that we might see NZDUSD go back to create a double top, then we sell it together with AUDUSD. Is that clear? Yeah. So let's move to DXY. Now, when we move to the DXY, that is the dollar index, you'll notice that I told you guys that the dollar index will soon start buying, of which the market has tapped this level yet, right? But we have a lot of gaps here. We want to see these markets come back to fill this gap, then we start buying properly, because tomorrow's fundamental news will be actually very, very crazy. We have the federal funds rate release tomorrow. Like, that fundamental news will actually shake the market. So we need dollar to have aligned properly, so that immediately we are looking for buys or looking for sales, we won't be affected. Is that okay? Yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys on that. Okay, and now let's move to US oil. Remember what I told you guys yesterday? If you were listening to what I said, I told you guys that Donald Trump told the Middle East and OPEC that the US oil is too expensive and they should cut prices for US oil. That was why I told you guys that we should be expecting more dump on US oil. Then I gave you guys this entry. I say, please, if you want to buy US oil at this point, don't risk. Okay, just buy it because the market aligned at this level where we're looking to buy, but don't risk. I gave you guys this reason yesterday that Donald Trump told OPEC to reduce the cost of US oil, that it is too expensive. So chances of US oil dumping was highly anticipated, but at the same time I was thinking maybe we'll just see a little push from that position before we continue dumping. Okay, now USD JPY, GBP JPY, expect massive buys. This pair has already aligned with our entry, right? Let's say, okay, you did not buy this market from here, you want to rebuy this market, wait for this market to come to this point here. Immediately it comes to this point, if you miss this point also, then I don't know what to tell you, because this market will buy aggressively. In fact, as a matter of fact, me, I've already started buying at this point, although I entered with small lot size. You can also buy here, enter with small lot size, or wait for it to come here, enter with a good lot size and hold it, because this market might be heading to 160, 165. Okay, 160, 165. Okay, 160, 165. Just be calm. The market will come to you. Except you are an aggressive trader or you want to use maybe 0.1, then you can enter the trade now so that you won't miss out in case if the market doesn't come to you. Okay, same thing for GBP JPY. Once you just see USD JPY start buying, you should start buying GBP JPY also. Okay, then for BTC, I told you guys this earlier last week that chances of BTC dumping is very, very high because the market has been struggling. This was our analysis here, meaning there are still chances for BTC to still dip a bit lower. Now, whenever I give you guys an analysis, for that analysis to go as how I've predicted, we need a catalyst. What will be that catalyst? The DeepSeek AI technology that Chinese just launched. It crushed NVIDIA. Now, why did it crush NVIDIA? Reason is because NVIDIA has actually spent billions saying they are creating AI software, AI this, AI that. Chinese spent less than 10% of what they've spent, and they achieved the same results. That was why everybody was moving their money and investment into DeepSeek. DeepSeek is just 150 million evaluation. Do you understand? So these are informations you need to have at the back of your mind, because if you don't have such informations, you're just going to be blindsided by why markets are dumping or why markets are flying. Wednesday, this tomorrow morning by 1:30, we should be expecting CPI from AUDUSD, and in the evening, news from GBP, news from CAD, news for United States dollar. So with all that being said, I'm sure this daily outlook have given you guys the right direction. We're looking for more buys on gold, but first we want the market to dump like 200 or 300 more pips to this level. Then we'll buy gold. If AUDUSD gets to this level, we will sell AUDUSD, sell NZDUSD, buy USD JPY. So thank you all for joining my daily outlook, and I'll drop the signal on the group, especially for USD JPY, because I want to buy that market. Peace.